How to use different chart types. There are 4 chart types available on the trading platform: line, candles, bars, and Heiken Ashi. The line chart is a tick chart that displays real-time price movement. A tick represents the minimum price change. At maximum zoom, you can see several ticks per second. The candles chart displays the range of price movement from maximum to minimum on a certain time interval. The body of the candlestick shows the range between the opening and closing prices. The thin line, candle shadow, displays the maximum and minimum price fluctuations during the candle's formation. If the closing price is higher than the opening price, the candle is green, and if the closing price is lower, the candle is red. The bars chart type shows information about the opening, closing, minimum and maximum prices for the specified time interval. Short horizontal lines on the sides of the bar represent the opening price, left, and the closing price, right. The Heiken Ashi chart is similar to a candlestick chart, but its candles are generated using a formula that helps to smooth out price noise and fluctuations. For chart types like candles, bars, and Heiken Ashi, you can choose the display interval, change the color, and adjust the thickness of the candle in the chart settings menu. The timer feature allows you to see the duration of the candle on the chart. Trade and earn with pocket option.